going on, guys? Welcome to yet another Crypto Sensei video live stream. How y'all doing, guys? Hope y'all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. Finally, guys, we did it. Look. Bitcoin finally dumping to the exact dump target price that I told you guys that this fucker was gonna go. Did you pay attention? Did you? Right now, look on the screen. Check that out. If you're on TikTok, check that out right there. I told you guys. I think I've been saying this for months now. I told you this fucker was gonna dump, and it was gonna dump to 27,481. It is doing exactly that. Man, it's like having a goddamn time machine right there, my man. Right now, you would have caught that little bouncy bounce on that exact target price. You would be in profits right now. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. We got a great show for you today. We got a damn good show. We got to talk about something really important. We're going to find out what the hell the market is doing. Is the market going up? Is the market going down? Is it going sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. All I see right now on the screen is that Bitcoin is just taking one hell of a dumpy dump to the downside, guys. Are you enjoying this prices to the downside? I really hope that you are. I really hope that you are in one hell of a great trade with the little bouncy bounce that is happening right now. My target price, 27,481, played out exactly today. Look at that. I'm not lying. You can rewatch all of my live streams. I told you this fucker was going to dump to 27,481. It did exactly that. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what else to tell you, guys. I can't do the trades for you, you know. I can't go to your house, to your office, to your computer and hit the buy button. I can't do that. You got to do it yourself. The best I can do is give you my target prices, give me my Fibonacci levels, my entries, my exits. That's exactly what I did. For months, I told you this fucker was going to go down to 27,481, and it did exactly that today. What more do you want? What more do you want? Anyway, smash that like button, guys, if you haven't done so already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, TikTok. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not to get all my price ranges, all of my target prices, all of my Fibonacci levels. This is how I am going to be trading, guys, and you have been in it since day one. You know exactly when it's going to go in. You know exactly when it's going to come out. We know. Told you guys, 27,481. And that is exactly where it bounced from. I really hope that you are in a trade on Bitcoin today. I really hope that you are enjoying this little bouncy bounce from 27.4. Right now, you would be in profits. Right now, if you would have gotten in at 27.4 when I told you would be in profits. Big shout out to 2019. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, 2019 4. How you doing, my man? It's all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Gina Beb, EDT. Big shout out to you, Gina Beb. How you doing? It's all good. You know, chilling like a villain. You want to talk about some XRP? Let's go. We can talk about some XRP action. Of course, we're going to talk about some XRP. And you're going to look at my trade. My XRP trade is actually down about 50%. I'm down on XRP like 50%. And you know what? I don't care. I don't care. Because let me see. Let's check this out. God damn it. Can we please get XRP down to 56? Oh my God, it almost hit it. Look at that. Can we please fill this out? I want that trade at 56.014. God damn it, went all the way down to 56.4. God damn it, I needed to go down to 56 on the dot. God. Can we get it down there, guys? Let's make it happen. Let's go. Millionaire Mentor 77. Big shout out to you. Big shout out. Thank you for that follow. So big shout out for everybody here on the live stream. Everybody there over on the Twitch channel. Everybody on the YouTube channel. On the Facebook. You guys are amazing. Smash that like button if you haven't already from all those platforms. I'm streaming on every single one of those platforms, guys. If you want to see a better quality stream, go ahead and head on over to my YouTube channel. I'm streaming over there at 4K resolution. So if you want a better quality, go ahead and head on over to my YouTube channel. Link in bio. See you guys there. Also, guys, if you have any TA you want to do, any coins that you want to look at, any projects that you want to see, doesn't matter what market it is, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do my TA on whatever assets you guys want to look at, okay? You got me for a little hour of power, so enjoy it. Take advantage of it, you know? As of today, this Bitcoin trade is playing out exactly like I said from the previous live stream. Actually, from all the live streams before. You don't want to trade on any coin that's above the 382 on the Fibonacci. It is going to get tested, and it is going to be taken. It is going to be broken to the downside, and it's going to bounce from the 618. What's that? What is that? Look over here. What's that? That's the 382. It broke, and then boom. Came back down to the 618, and it's bouncing from the 618. Come on, guys. Come on. This is child's play. It does. I don't know. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what to tell you guys. If you don't press buy, if you don't press long, if you don't buy the ticket for the lottery, you can't enjoy the profits. Okay. I don't know. I try my best. I try my best. But we're gonna go in it today, guys. We're gonna go in and let's find out. Let's see what the hell are we gonna do with this price action. I don't even know. Let's stick around, guys. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Mauricio over on the TikTok saying now is a good opportunity to buy crypto. It is the best. Now is the time. Okay? Now. You don't buy on the green. You buy on the red. When it bounces off the 618 on the daily chart. Okay? This is where you want to be. Okay? If you were on the fence, you don't know, should I go in? Should I buy any coins? I don't even know. Now is the time. Now. Today. Now. Mauricio. Big shout out to you, Mauricio. Smart man right there, guys. Mauricio, follow him over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Mauricio. Gotta drink this water. I get all excited. I see these price ranges, and I'm losing my fucking mind because I don't have any more money to buy. You know, I want to buy more. I can't buy anymore. Big shout out to Mauricio. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Statewide. Big shout out to you over on the TikTok. Thank you for that share. Also, guys, if you want to share the link, share the information with everybody you know, go ahead and smash that share button on whatever platform you're looking on me. I'm trying to grow this channel as much as I can. Trying to get to that 10,000 follower mark on all my streaming platforms. And I can't do that without you guys' help. So if you can smash the like button and you can share the link with everybody on your social media, go right ahead. I will really appreciate it. We're going to go in it today, guys. We're going to figure out what the hell are we going to do with this market. Is it going to go up? Is it going to bounce from here? Is it going to go sideways? I don't know. It's super exciting. We got some great volatility today. Guys, if you were on the fence, let me lower the music a little bit. I get too excited. I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, what am I going to do? But right now, look at that, guys. Look on the screen. What's going on here? Check this out. What did I say? Previous live stream. Bam. There's your bouncy bounce. There's your bouncy bounce. On the exact target price, 27,481. I don't know. I don't know what else to tell you guys. Other than smash that like button. The more you smash, the higher the price of XRP goes. You know how it is. Maybe that's why the XRP price hasn't been going up as much as it used to. Because I used to get 25,000 likes on my TikTok live stream. Now I get 1,000 something or 2,000, which is highly appreciated, by the way. I'm not belittling anybody. But the price is coming down. Price is coming down. There is some sort of correlation with the like button and XRP price. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Big shout out to Statewide. Thank you for that share over on the TikTok. Mauricio saying, yes, sir. Thank you so much for stopping by, Mauricio. You're the man right there. At 24, big shout out to you. Thank you for that share over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Also, guys, remember, if you want to look at any coins whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box on whatever platform I'm looking on at. I have a chat box for all of my streaming software, and I can read it out loud for you guys if you want to look any coins. Any assets, doesn't have to be crypto. It could be Forex, it could be stocks, whatever it is you want to look at. Go ahead and write it down on the chat box, and I will do my best to do my TA, and let's figure out what the hell the market is going to do. I know for a fact that the prices are going to keep going to the downside. It is what it is. Momentum is to the downside. So if you guys were going to do any type of trading whatsoever, it's to the downside. You don't have to be a genius to know the momentum is down. Yeah, we're having a little bit of a bouncy bounce on the 618 on the Fibonacci levels, but that in no way, shape, or form does that confirm that we're going to bounce from here. I'm just saying that you could have caught that trade at 27,481 on the bounce on the 618, which is what we always try to do. And I gave you the exact target price, 27,481, and we got the bouncy bounce. Now, are we going to bounce from here, keep going to the upside? I don't know. We're going to find out. Up to you, whatever the hell you want to do. Millionaire Mentor 77 over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Millionaire Mentor. Is this crypto? Yes, we are going to talk about crypto today. We talk about crypto a day, all day, a day. Bryson 4X over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you saying, how do you make money when it goes down? Well, there's different strategies that you can do, but you can short the market. If you do your analysis and you're 100% sure that the prices are going to go down, you can place a short, which is basically a bet that the price is going to go down. And you make money on the way down because you shorted the market. You placed a bet. You went to the casino and you said, okay, Bitcoin is going to go down. I'm going to place a $100 bet. And you bet $100 and the price went down. You made money. Yeah. Or if you don't want to place bets because it's too risky for you or you don't understand the game just yet, which it does have a little bit of a learning curve. It does take a few years to learn how to short and long the right way on the markets. Then you could just set your levels, your Fibonacci levels, figure out what are those critical key points to go in, and you dollar cost average on the way down. Okay, markets go up, markets go down, market cycles. It's a cycle. It's going to repeat itself over and over and over again. The real traders know that you buy low and you sell high. So right now we're on the low. We're going down. So what do? Your mentality should be buying. You should be in the back of your mind saying, oh, I'm going to buy some Bitcoin. Oh, I'm going to buy this stock. Oh, I'm going to buy that Forex coin. Oh, I'm going to... That's the mentality that you need to be in right now. That's the mindset. Okay. So on this channel, I'm going to be teaching you what are those key support levels that you want to learn how to identify over on the charts. And then you can figure out when to go in and buy some more Bitcoin. Okay. We buy on the way down. This is exactly where we want to be. We want to be at 27,481. Okay. We want to be in that price range because that's exactly my first buy order. I am going to buy Bitcoin at 27,481. Actually, I bought Bitcoin at 27,481. Okay. So stick around, Bryce. We're going to look at it today, my man. Big shout out to you. Millionaire Mentor 77. Is this XRP? We're going to talk about some XRP action. So stick around, my man. Millionaire Mentor. Big shout out to you. We're going to talk about some XRP price action. What is XRP doing right? Let me just a little quick peek. Just a little quick peek. Just a little quick peek. Like the girl next door. Just a little quick peek. You never know. You know. Yeah. XRP is having a little bit of a dumpy dump. Of course, the entire market is having a little bit of a dumpy dump. We got to figure out our levels, guys, because we're going to buy some more XRP on the way down. That's exactly what we're doing right now. Can we get it to 56 cents, please? For the love of God, can we get it to 56, 55? Can we get it to 56 or 55? I want to buy more XRP, and I'm buying more XRP at 56. Come on, let's go. Jeff Lender, big shout out to you, Jeff, over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Jeff. Joe 123 over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Joe. 55. Hell yeah! Can we get XRP down to 55, please? Can we get down XRP to 55? Stick around, guys. Let's figure out if we can get some 55-cent XRP. Smash that like button if you haven't already. The more you smash, the higher the price of XRP goes. Smash that like button, and also it helps with the algorithm. If you guys want to share the link, share the information, you want to help me grow the channel, go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. The more you smash, the more the algorithm pushes the information out there. And there is no reason why anybody shouldn't be looking at my price ranges, okay? I give it out for you guys. I give it to you. You do whatever the hell you want to do with them. But as of right now, it's bouncing exactly on my target price. I've been saying this target price for months. I think the last time, I talked about this price range ever since May. In May, I gave you 27,481. Check out my videos. They're all in my YouTube channel. You can rewatch them as many times as you want. I told you this fucker was going to go to 27,481, and it bounced exactly from there. Now, in the next coming days, what do we got to do? We got to wait it out. We got to see, are we going to bounce from here? Are we going to break that 382? Are we going to go to 30K again? I don't know. But if you're going to be on the fence on getting in on some Bitcoin action, the time is now. And I will show you my price ranges, not just 27,481. There's other lower key points of entry below the 618, and I'll show you what those are today on today's class. J Nino 252, big shout out to you, Jay. Let's go XRP. Hold on to your XRP, guys. My man, you're a smart man right there. That's the smartest thing I've ever heard anybody say, my man. 10 points to you, my man Jay. My man Jay knows exactly what he's got to do. Hold on to that XRP bags. You never sell. You never go anywhere. You don't give away your XRP. You don't give away your Bitcoin. You don't give away your Ethereum. You put it in your ledger device and you forget about it for the next 5 years. Let's see what the price is going to be. Not even 5 years. Let's talk about the price 2 years from now. Let's see what 2025 brings for Bitcoin and what the rest of the market. You never know. You never know. James, big shout out to James over on the TikTok saying Matic. We don't want to talk about some Matic. Yeah, we could. Let me take on my handy dandy notebook and we're going to write down Matic and we're going to look at some Matic action. Guys, if you have any coins whatsoever, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my TA as much as we can, as best you can. My man Joe Zimmer over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Joe. Without Joe, there is no show. 53 cents getting closer. My man Joe, you called it. You called it, brother. 53 cents. What are you going to do? Do you already have a limit buy order on your XRP? I got it at 56. I got it. Oh, wait, let me see. I got it. I'll show you guys right here. I'll show you what I'm into. My open orders. I got one at 56, 49, and 44. Okay? 56, 49, 44. Those are my entry prices for XRP. Okay? Do whatever you want with them. You got those two, Joe? My man, Joe, that's where you're my favorite, Joe. Woo! Can we get more XRP? Let's go. Oh, yes. We bought more XRP. Wait, let me go to my spot trading. Give me a second, guys. I think we just hit my target price at 56. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Come on. We got. Yes. Let me see. Order history. There we go. We bought more XRP. All right. We bought XRP at 63. We bought XRP at 56. Now I'm waiting for 49 and 44. And I believe my last buy is going to be for 41. I'm not 100% sure if we're going to get to 41.47. I think it's 41.47. But I'm going to place a limit buy order for XRP at 41.47. Okay? That's called dollar cost averaging. Okay? When it keeps going down, I just buy some more in key entry levels. Okay? Key entry levels. That's the whole point. That's the whole point, guys. Just buy some more on the way down. And when you can't buy any more, get a second job and buy some more. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. That's the whole purpose of the channel, so you can see my journey. Okay, I'm just recording what I'm doing. In no way, shape, or form is this financial advice. You do whatever the hell you want to do, okay? But I believe we got in more XRP. I bought about, can you see it on the screen over here? Yeah, 10,000 XRP more. Ephraim, big shout out to you, Ephraim. Thank you for that follow. Hardworking Dad, A81, big shout out to you over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Brian Wills, thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. You guys are amazing, like always. TikTok is absolutely booming. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. Thank you for stopping by and giving me your little hour of power. Let's take advantage of it. Let's find out what the hell the market are doing. We're going in on one hell of a dumpy dump, and we love the dumpy dumps because it gives us the best entry prices to go in on whatever asset you want to go in. Bazir Error 828 over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. Smash that like button over on the TikTok, guys. The more you smash, the more the information gets spread out throughout the entire TikTok verse. We're trying to grow to 10,000 followers, and I can't do that without you guys' help. So if you can share the wealth, share the information, and smash that like button, I would highly appreciate each and every one of you, like I always do. We're going to give it one more minute, guys. One more minute, and we'll start the class. Let me get some water. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever, guys, remember, you can write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to answer whatever questions you guys have, okay? Write it down on the chat box. User 65 over on the TikTok saying, do you like XRP? No. That word doesn't really quite cover. I don't like XRP. I like French toasts, okay? I like motorcycles. I like pizza. XRP is the love of my life. It's my beautiful baby girl. Do you understand? Do you understand? My beautiful baby girl, that's XRP. I love XRP. J Nino 252 over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. All right, guys. We're going to go in it today. Set up your charts because we're going to talk about some Bitcoin action. Let's go to the class. Let's go. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on with the market? I don't know. Stick around. Let's find out together. I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. If you're looking on the charts right now, you don't really need to be one hell of a technical analysis to see that the prices are going down. Why? Because Bitcoin is going down. If Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down with it. Always, that's like the golden rule. Rule number one of crypto. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, do it on Bitcoin first. It's going to repeat on every other coin out there. Okay? So Bitcoin pretty much sets the base. Okay? Momentum is to the downside. Viviendo in Miami. Big shout out to you, Viviendo in Miami. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Code Meister 2018. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. James on the TikTok saying, do you think Ethereum going to 1,500? We're going to talk about that today. We're going to go into some Ethereum action. Let me take out my handy dandy notebook. Let it write down Ethereum. And we'll talk about some Ethereum. Savage Lee, big shout out to Savage. Thank you for that hot, my man. Big shout out to you. Love you too. Savage just became the number 7 member on the team, my man. Savage, you the man. Savage Lee over on the TikTok saying my XRP short up 1,200%. Rip the bulls. My man. 1,200%, bro. You the man. You the man, Savage. You know what, Savage? I'm just going to let the class to you. You give the class. You're doing way better trades than I am. Do it. You give the class. I don't even want to give the class anymore. You do it. I don't care. I don't care. My man, everybody stop everything. Stop everything. Savage Lee is going to give the class from now on. He's a far better trader than I am. So let's listen to Savage. I'm just messing with you, Savage. Smash that like button. Big shout out to my man Savage. I've been in crypto since 2014, man. It's been a trip, my brother. You know how I think I started in the first time I ever heard about crypto. I think it was 2012, but I didn't take it seriously at all. I didn't pay any attention whatsoever. I think I was still in college in 2012, and I heard about it. About my finance teacher was talking about it. 2012. I didn't pay any attention whatsoever. When I actually took it serious was 2015. I bought XRP. I bought some Bitcoin. I bought some XRP, and XRP was less than a cent. It was one hell of a trip because I bought it less than a cent and it rode all the way up to $3 in 2017. Took my profits at $3, came back down to 17 in the lawsuit, bought some more XRP, and I've been holding on to that XRP ever since. That's my journey, my man. That's my journey. And guess what? I'm never, ever, ever, ever getting rid of my XRP. Ever, ever. Freedom Fighter. Big shout out to you, Freedom Fighter, over on the TikTok saying, bro, what do you all use to buy crypto? Well, in my case, my preferred exchange is BitGet. BitGet.com. Okay? Bitget.com is wonderful. The fees are immensely low, super duper low, okay? Almost unnoticeable. The transactions are instant. You do a withdrawal and they immediately hit your wallet, okay? The only issue I have with Bitget is that you're going to need a VPN. If you're in the United States. They got regulations anywhere else in the world except for the United States. So they don't technically offer their services in the United States, but if you have a VPN on your computer that you can mask your IP address, you can use Bitget. Okay? You can use Bitget. So my preferred exchange is Bitget. Okay? Freedom Fighter over on the TX Talk saying, I've been trading for a while, but I don't know much about crypto sites other than Forex. Well, it's pretty much the same thing. The only difference between Forex and crypto is regulation. Forex has a whole lot of laws and a whole lot of regulation right on top of it that you can sort of identify on the screen and you can take advantage. It's a million times easier to make money on Forex than it is to do on crypto. Crypto is highly manipulated by the market, and not always does technical analysis work, especially when you can get an asset that you can manipulate it. Anybody with a whole shit ton of money can move the prices at will. You can't predict that on the screen. You can't look at a chart and be like, oh, they're going to manipulate the price now, unless you're in their inner circle, which I am in no way, shape, or form in any circles whatsoever. I don't even have friends. That's the only difference. That's pretty much the biggest difference between Forex and crypto is manipulation. You can manipulate crypto at will if you have enough money. You can't do that on Forex. Not as easy as it seems because there's regulations. Okay, there's limits of things you can do. There are no limits to what you can do in crypto. Okay, so it's just I love crypto. Okay, guys, I fucking love crypto. I love the fact that we don't have regulation and that we do amazing trades. We can either have a great day or a really, really bad day, and it's just volatility. It's just off the charts. I enjoy that. I enjoy that very much. Give me a second, guys. I'm ready to send it. Let me make sure that everything is looking good. Okay. Savage Lee over on the TikTok saying, heard about Bitcoin at $2. Got in around 3,000, bro. I don't remember what the price of Bitcoin was. I think the price of Bitcoin when I heard about Bitcoin was at $7. I think it pumped from $7 to $100 and everybody was losing their minds. But then it came back down to like $2. I think I remember that. I was working for a cable company back then. Now we're talking about what, 10 years ago? 11 years ago. That was 11 years ago. Mr. Bonet over on the TX. A big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow, Mr. Bonet. Freedom Fighters over on the TikTok saying VPNs are Chinese to me. Well, if you don't want to use a VPN, okay, you don't have to use a VPN. You can go to BidFi. BidFi.com. Okay. BidFi.com is another platform just like Bitget. It does the exact, even looks like Bitget. The only difference is the color scheme, but they're doing the exact same thing. It works the exact same way, but they do not require a VPN. Okay. You can get an account in BidFi.com, or if you want to help the channel out, there is an affiliate link in my bio if you guys want to be part of my team over on BidFi. I normally do not trade on BidFi because I have a better relationship with Bitget, but as a backup exchange, it's there. Okay, and you don't need a VPN. You don't need KYC. You don't have to send them your information. The fees are super low, just like Bitget. So it's sort of like a better Bitget. Okay, it's a better Bitget. But all of my funds are in Bitget, and I just an animal of habit, an animal of habit, and I don't change that much. Barack over on the TX saying XRP is going to 44 cents. My man, to your mouth, from your mouth to God's ears. From your mouth to God's ears. I need. Look at it. What does it say? I need XRP to go to 49 cents. After 49, I need for it to go to 44. And after 44, I need it to go to 41. And that's it. I'm done. I'm done. After 41, I'm not buying anymore. I don't have any more money to buy. I don't have any more money. God damn. Everybody says, just buy on the way down. Bitch, I don't have any more money to buy. I already bought everything. Savage Lee over on the TikTok saying Forex is Wall Street crypto. Forex is Wall Street crypto is Wild West. Yeah. Forex is crazy, man. I don't touch Forex at all. I don't personally, I don't like Forex. I prefer a whole lot more crypto. It's just my preference. Just my preference. Brock over on the TikTok saying, I promise you XRP will touch 44 cents. Don't worry, my man, Brock. I hear you. I believe you. I absolutely 100% believe in that 44 cent XRP. I want it to go to 44 cents. Okay? I'm not gonna fight you about it. I'm not gonna fight you about it. Freedom Fighters over on the TikTok saying, yeah, it is. Just asking because I'm looking for Bitcoin to go to the same number you have posted there. Yeah, brother. I gave you the exact entry price for some Bitcoin. Actually, look at the bouncy bounce happening right now, 27,481. And it bounced exactly there. Been saying it for months. Now is the time to get in on Bitcoin. Now is the time to buy whatever the hell you want to buy. Juju, big shout out to Juju over on the Twitch channel. Hello, XRP is so cheap to buy. My man. Bro, you this is what happens when people come over to my class. They understand the assignment. You just buy on the way down. Can it go lower? Yes. Will it? I have no idea. If it does, guess what? I'm buying some more. We have a high, we have a low, we have a retest, we got a bounce, we got a retest, we got a buy, we got a breakout, and we buy some more. It's so simple. It's so simple. For L, I'm sorry, I kept 4LVWC over on the TikTok saying, bro, you sold me when you said you have no friends. I got no friends. I got no friends. I'm in crypto. If you're in crypto, there's no time for friends. I'm sorry. I'm 24/7 in front of a screen looking at the goddamn numbers. That's all I do every day. I don't have time for no friends. I don't have time for no friends. If they don't come over and visit me, I don't call anybody. I'm like the definition of introvert. You understand? I am the mega definition of introvert. All I do is crypto every day, all day. You guys are my friends. This is as far as I go when it comes to socializing. This is why I stream, because you guys are my ticket out of my room. You understand? Brock over on the TikTok saying, does this guy read out the comments? What are you talking about, Brock, my man? You know, I'm reading all your comments all goddamn day. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do, my man? Martian Kingdom. Big shout out to you, Martian. Thank you for that follow. Bryson 4X saying over on the TikTok, why can't I buy Gala on Coinbase anymore? I believe that Gala was delisted to get Gala version 2. I'm not 100% sure about this because I don't buy any other coins. I don't really talk about any type of those coins unless you guys want to talk about those coins. But I'm not up to date on what the hell is happening with Gala as of right now. But I believe that they have a Gala version 2 and they're going to delist Gala version 1 and replace it with Gala version 2. Something like that. I'm not 100% sure. You got to let me know because I don't really know. Slim D68, thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Gary on the TikTok saying XLM. Absolutely, we're going to talk about some XLM action. Let me write that down over here, guys. My handy dandy notebook, and we talk about some XLM. Stan Lee over on the TikTok saying thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Stanley, my man. Jay, big shout out to you over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for stopping by, my man. Black Sheep Trading, big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. Smash that like button, guys. We're going to try to get to all-time highs on the likes, guys. On the last live stream, we got to all the way up to 25,000 likes. Can we get to 30,000 on this one? Let's figure out. Let's find out together. Freedom Fighters over on the TX saying, do you think Bitcoin will come back down to lock a candle there are at the mark? It doesn't really matter if it does. You set your limit buy orders either way. Okay. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But if it does, you took advantage of it. Okay. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. Then you missed the opportunity. It is what it is. It's part of the game. Okay. It's part of the learning curve. But you set your limit buy orders either way. Okay. Either way. 27,481. That's the bouncy bounce. James over on the TikTok saying, what price you going to buy Ethereum? Thank you. Yeah. We're going to go into that today. All right, guys. So, like I was saying, Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. And Bitcoin following exactly the rule of thumb of where you want to buy some more Bitcoin. Okay. We got the bouncy bounce exactly on my target price at 27,481. If you would have been in a long as of right now at 27,481, guess what? You would have made some money. You would have made some money. Okay. So you would be in profits as of right now. As of right now, today, right on this moment, on the live stream, it hit it. On the beginning of the live stream. It's like I live stream and the price just comes back down. So I got to live stream every day. We want to bring this price actions to the downside, guys. So Bitcoin, rule number one, did it find support within the 618 on the Fibonacci levels? Yeah, it's bouncing from the 618. Okay. Rule number two, did it break out of the 382? So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for a close above the 382 on the Fibonacci levels. We found the support at 27.4. Now we need to close above 29,000. If we close above 29,000, then the momentum is still to the upside. If it doesn't close above 29,000 in the next few days, guess what the price of Bitcoin is going to keep doing? It's going to keep breaking to the downside, testing that 618 again and breaking it downwards. Okay? Breaking it downwards. So what do we do with that information? We need to figure out what are those other key levels to go in if it actually does break out below the 618, which is highly possible. Momentum keeps going to the downside. Different news can drive the prices back down. Big whales can just start taking their profits, which, by the way, I told you guys, miners are going to start dumping Bitcoin because we have the halving right around the corner. We're about 6 months away from the next halving. This is exactly the time frame where miners start selling their Bitcoin supply. They dump the price of Bitcoin and buy back in right after the halving. And that's the trigger for the next bull cycle. It has happened over and over and over again the last 4 cycles. And guess what? It's going to keep happening over and over again because that's how the algorithm works in Bitcoin. That's how the technology works. It's made to keep going to the upside. Unless a better technology comes over and takes over the blockchain, Bitcoin is going to keep being the king. Bitcoin is king. Okay. And the beauty of Bitcoin is that it works in cycles. It's a 4-year cycle and it keeps repeating over and over again. So what do you do with that information? It's playable patterns. It's like a video game. As soon as you understand the pattern, you play by the rules and you win the game. Okay. That's how it doesn't get it. So rule number one, find support within 27,481. We did that. Are we going to close above 29.1? I don't think so. If it does close above 29.1, then we're going to get a 34K Bitcoin. Okay? I just don't see that happening anytime soon. I do not think we are ready for a bull cycle as of just yet. People who are telling you that Bitcoin is going to 100K this year, show me your trades. Show me your buy orders and show me your buy orders on Bitcoin 100K. Then we can talk about it. Okay? We're not ready, guys. We're not ready for a bull cycle just yet. After the halving, we are going to get that bull cycle. Yes, absolutely. It has happened before. It'll happen again. but not 2023. Not this year. Next year. Okay? Hold on to your bags. Strap in. Yes, I'm always bullish, but next year. Chapulín. Big shout out to Chapulín over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow, Chapulín. User 66. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow. Joey M6 on the TikTok saying, how high will XRP go in the next bull cycle? Well, I'll give you my target price ranges. We'll go in it today, my man. Smash that like button and follow, and we'll stick around. Let's find out what are my target prices for some XRP action. That guys, that is Bitcoin. Okay, that is Bitcoin. Ethereum. Look at what Ethereum is doing as of right now. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse you. Let me restart it all over again. There is a low. Let me move this way so you can see it. There is a low. There is a high. There is a pullback on the high. So that is a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Okay. And look at what Ethereum did. It broke the 618 at 1,780. Okay. It broke the 618, meaning that it doesn't have support within the golden zone on the Fibonacci levels on the daily chart. And when things break the 618 to the downside, what happens to that 618? Now it becomes strong resistance. So it is going to take a whole lot of money flow, a whole lot of volume to drive the price of XRP back up. It needs the Bitcoin backing. It needs for Bitcoin to break back above the 618. Okay. If Bitcoin doesn't cooperate, Ethereum absolutely is not going to cooperate. Okay. Let me move this a little bit. My tripod battery ran off and I am going to have to hold this by hand. Nah, I'll leave it right there. There you go. Better. So Ethereum broke to the downside on the 618. So this Fibonacci level doesn't work. So we need to figure out another keyframe to get in on some Ethereum action. How do we do that? We do the reverse Fibonacci levels. This is the Fibonacci for longing. Now we're going to figure out a Fibonacci for shorting, which is the same thing the other way around. Okay, so let me get rid of this. We have a high. We have a low, and we have a return of that low. So that is a reverse shark fin formation. See this? That is a reverse shark fin formation. On that reverse shark fin formation, then you draw out your Fibonacci levels. Okay? Wait. I can do this better. There. Okay? And these are your key entry points for your next longing opportunity or bouncy bounce if you're trying to catch the bottom, which is fairly impossible to do. But if Bitcoin is dumping, Ethereum is going to dump also. And you're going to try to catch that bouncy bounce. These are your two best levels right down here. As of today, as of right now, you're too late. You're too late. Okay? Let the market do its thing. It's breaking support lines like crazy. The volatility is... Look at that. Dumps 12% to the downside, 19% down, 20%. This is a 20% down day. Volatility is just berserk, okay? It's full-on berserk mode right now. Be cautious on your trades, okay? Be cautious. The market is dumping. Most likely what you're going to see, exchanges are going to limit withdrawals. Take your coins out of exchanges because the market is going on a just dumpy dump on everybody, okay? So as of right now, crazy volatility to the downside. If you're going to be trading, it's to the downside. Okay, it's to the downside. Forget about catching the bouncy bounce. It's to the downside, okay? It's to the downside. So for Ethereum, target price 1,657. Are we going to close above it? I don't think so. We're trading at 1,500 to the downside, okay? To the downside. Manuel Olvera Jr., big shout out to you, Manuel. Big shout out to you over on the TikTok. What's up, man? Just joined the live. What's deal today and XRP drop? My man, Bitcoin is dumping. More people selling than they are buying. Simple as that. Let me see. Let me go back up to it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now that is a beautiful red day right there. Holy shit. Guys, if you're on the fence on getting in on some Bitcoin or whatever coins you want to look at, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. This is where the riches are made, on these breaks to the downside on the 618. Now is the time. Now, not when it was going up to 30K. No. Now when it's dumping and breaking all of these dips to the that's where you're going to want to get some. Oh my God, why is it so hard for people to understand? Millionaire Mentor 77 saying, damn. I know, it's been one hell of a day. Jay over on the TikTok saying, don't waste your money with Ethereum, XRP, XLM, XCC, as you well know, my friend. Yeah, hey, there's opportunities all over the crypto markets, my man. I really don't, like, you buy whatever the hell you want to buy, you know? I tell people, buy whatever coin you want to buy. As long as you hold on to that coin for the next bull cycle, buy whatever. Buy whatever. All up to you, my man. All up to you. Moving on to my beautiful baby XRP. What is XRP doing right now? Well, the market is absolutely wrecking everything down. So XRP is going to do the exact same thing. My entry prices were 44 cents. So I think we got everything all today. We are all in on this hell of a trade. Juju over on the Twitch channel saying Bitcoin is king, but XRP is the standard. Absolutely agreed. Absolutely agreed. But you can't really not look at the fact that if Bitcoin dumps, everything dumps with it. Okay, you can't take a coin, your analysis, out of Bitcoin. You just can't do that. Not yet, anyway. Not yet. Maybe in the future when XRP takes over, if it does, maybe. But as of right now, Bitcoin was here first. Everybody uses Bitcoin as a base. Can't really do anything about that, my man. Jeezy B Boozy, big shout out to you, Jeezy. That's a kick-ass name by there. Thank you for that share over on the TikTok channel. So XRP, you guys were asking me what are my target prices for the next bull cycle, and I believed we talked about it on the last live stream. Take a screenshot of this because these are my target prices for the next bull cycle. Do keep in mind, we weren't able to reach all-time high on the last bull cycle because of the lawsuit. We don't have the lawsuit anymore. Yeah, the SEC is appealing the fact, and they're going to go for it. But for the important part, which is our XRP, not institutional XRP, our sales, the ones that we bought from Coinbase, from KuCoin, from BitGet, the XRP that you and I hold, that's the important thing, that it's not a security. So we are not going to get sued ever again. Okay. It just can't happen anymore. So we are safe. We are protected. Okay. We are safe. We are protected. So for the next bull cycle, we're finally going to see the actual price ranges that we were supposed to get in the last bull cycle. We didn't get it all the way up to 380, which was the last bull cycle. This bull cycle, these are my target prices to take some action. If you are conservative, okay, these are your price ranges to getting some XRP on the way up. This is your take profits on XRP, conservative take profits, okay? If you're more risky, if you're more risk averse, then these are your take profits on XRP. Me, I don't care about my money. I am hella risk on everything I do. I could wake up with $0 in my bank account and it doesn't faze me at all. Okay? But that's my mentality. Okay? You don't have to trade like that. Actually, don't trade like that. Be more risk averse. Take care of your money, okay? Especially if you work for it, okay? You don't want to lose your money just because an idiot online tells you to. No, that's not financial advice. I am taking my profits at $5.37. Okay. My first limit buy order, my limit sell order on XRP is at $5.37. But that's for the next bull cycle. Like I said, not this year. I've been saying it for months. Don't listen to the Moon Boys. We're not ready for a bull cycle yet. The bull cycle is after the halving. Say it with me. Bull cycle is after the halving. Miners are selling their Bitcoin supply right before the halving. These next 6 months, you see these dumps, 20% dumps in a day? That is miners selling their supply. It's all a coordinated attack. I'll call it a coordinated attack. It's not really an attack. It's just how the market works. Miners sell their supply and buy back in the next halving when Bitcoin is at a very low price. So if you think this is a dumpy dump, wait till you see the dumpy dump when we do get the halving in March. Oh, March, April, May. Look, that's where the real apocalypse happens. Steve McKee, big shout out to Steve McKee over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, my man. How you doing, man? It's all good, all good. You know how it is. Chilling like a villain. Enjoying this mega hella dump to the downside, because the lower it goes, the more I buy. Gerardo Hernandez over on the TXR. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that like, guys. Smash that like button. Oof, look at that. My phone is just notifications. Bitcoin is down. Bitcoin is down. I'm like, yes, Bitcoin is down. Bitcoin is down. Buy some more. That's what I'm going to do. Steve McKee over on the TikTok saying, what's going on? Should I wait a few before dumping some money into crypto and buying all this red? Brother, Steve, my man Steve, I don't know. What do you want to do? I bought some more. You know my target prices. All of those target prices got hit today. Guess what? I bought a shit ton of XRP. Let's check it out. Whoa, what was that? What the hell was that noise? Those were all my buy orders. Look at that, guys. I bought some XRP at 63. I bought some XRP at 56. I bought some XRP at 49. I'm going to buy more XRP at 44. And I'm going to buy more XRP at 41. That's it. Rinse and repeat and wait for the next bull cycle. That's all it really takes. Stack up on your bags. Put it in your Ledger or LEPAL device, your hardware wallet. Don't keep it in exchanges. These dumpy dumps are hella scary because a lot of people are going to start withdrawing. These platforms tend to what? Freeze your withdrawals. Take your assets out of exchanges. Put it in a cold storage device like this LEPAL device or whatever you want, whichever you choose. Up to you. Don't leave them in exchanges. Because the market is taking one hell of a dump. People start getting scared. They start pulling out. And the exchanges lock everything down. It happens all the time. Pay attention. This is why I tell you guys, platforms are evil. They're going to manipulate the price like they've done so forever. And there's not a damn thing you can do about it other than taking out your coins out of exchanges and putting them in a Ledger device. Forget about these dumpy dumps. Dumps for buying. Dumps are for buying. Okay? Dumps are for buying. I'm going to go outside and protest with a thing and everything that says dumps are for buying. Dumps are for buying. Tristan Driggers over on the TikTok saying, can we see how much you are buying? Yeah, right here. These are all the amounts of everything I've ever bought in right here. If they say failed, head on over to my YouTube channel because I don't think you can see them very clearly on the TikTok. I'm recording from my phone and it doesn't really look that well. So head on over to my YouTube channel. The link is on the bio and you can see all of my entry prices. Okay, you can see all of how much I'm buying right now. Right now, I bought 9,000 XRP, then 10,000 XRP, then 12,000 XRP, and I'm gonna keep buying some more. My goal in life My goal in life is to personally hold 100,000 XRP. That's my goal in life. It's always been hold 1 Bitcoin and hold 100,000 XRP. I am nowhere near those numbers. Okay? Nowhere near those numbers. But if the price keeps dumping like it is, it's hell of a lot easier to buy XRP at 10 cents than it is to buy it at $1 if I want to hold 100,000. Okay? As of right now, I think I have 10, 20, 30, 32,000 XRP. 32,000 XRP. Bulldog, my man, Bulldog. How you doing, Bulldog? Big shout out to you, Bulldog. Gang, link, dig, link. Best name on TikTok, by the way. I took XRP took a huge dump. Abso-fucking-lutely, brother. The entire market did. Everything is red over on the charts. Look at that. Everything bleeding 20%. It's one of those 20% kind of days. I love these days. This is the volatility that we want. This is the volatility that we want. BRP, big shout out to you. Thank you for that share over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, BRP. The Truth in the Light, big shout out to you over on the TikTok. What is the best What is the best hard wallet for cell phones? You mean hot wallets? Well, when it comes to your cell phone, I don't know. I'm a little bit iffy for keeping crypto in my cell phone. I can lose my cell phone. I can drop and break my cell phone. Somebody can steal my cell phone. I don't know. I don't really keep crypto in cell phones. I don't like hot wallets. I would tell you maybe the Coinbase wallet on your phone. What else? The Atomic wallet. What else? There's so many. But if you're going to keep any crypto whatsoever, don't keep it on your phone, brother. Keep it in a hardware wallet outside of your phone, somewhere else. Bulldog Gangalan saying, get you some Gala for a penny. Ooh, what is Gala doing? Let me see. Gala took one hell of a dump, right? I'm pretty sure that Gala took a nasty, nasty dump. Let me see. Oh, look at it. Exactly my target price, Bulldog. What'd I say? You were there. I know you were there. Look at that. Boom. Exactly 1 cent, 63. Oh, man. It's like a fucking time machine, brother. It's like a fucking time machine. The Truth in the Light saying no hardware wallet. You're talking about hardware wallets. Well, for me, I got two options. This one, option number one, which is the best one, elipal.com. Okay, you go to elipal.com, and you get this one. The Titan Mini, okay, is super small, super compact, and is not that expensive. Well, at least for me. I mean, $80 it could be a little bit iffy. I'd rather spend $80 on paying my rent. But if you can afford it, $79 for an Elipal device. It's sort of like this one, okay? This is the Elipal Titan, the big one. Let me show you this one. But this one is $139. It's a little bit more expensive. But the other one does the exact same thing. Okay, it does the exact same thing and in a smaller case. Okay. So completely up to you. Whatever you can afford. The bigger one does the exact same thing as the smaller one. Okay, you store your crypto outside of the exchanges. You don't want to keep your crypto in any exchanges whatsoever. Okay. And my second choice, which is a little bit of a iffy choice, like I don't trust it as much as Elipal, is the Ledger device. Okay, the Ledger device in ledger.com. Ledger.com. That's my second favorite hardware wallet. Okay, it connects to your phone through Bluetooth. Okay. The difference between this one and the Elipal is that the Elipal does not connect to anything whatsoever. It doesn't have Bluetooth, doesn't have Wi-Fi, doesn't have any way to connect to the computer in any way, shape, or form other than a little SD card that you use to update the device. Okay. But this one has Bluetooth, has NFC. It's as long as you don't carry around your Ledger device with you wherever you go, you're good to go. If you put it in a safe in your house, you bury it in the ground, I don't know, wherever the hell you want to do with it, as long as you don't keep it with you all the time, then you're good to go. You're good to go. You shouldn't keep your crypto with you anyway. You shouldn't keep your hardware while it's on you anyway. Just as a matter of security, you know? Because this is money we're talking about, and there's always going to be willing hands to take it away from you. Don't make it easy on them. Just don't make it easy on them. Barack over on the TikTok, big shout out to you, is saying, I told you XRP would crash. Yeah, man, you were right. I told you. You were right, man. Barack, as XRP just now touched 42 cents. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Where is XRP? For 40, it's 49. Man, I really wish it would have gotten almost my 41, 47. Missed it, brother, by this much. Damn it. Let's see how the market is gonna play, but it did not reach all the way down to 41, brother. I wanted it to go down to 41. Damn it. Juju over on the Twitch channel saying dumps are for buying, or buying are for what? Dumps are for buying, or buying are for dumbs. Huh? I'm the dumb one. I don't understand the question. Dumps are for buying. Yes, you buy in the dumps. You don't buy on the pumps. You buy on the dumps. Travel with Ishka. Big shout out to you, Travel with Ishka, over on the YouTube channel, saying, what is the next move for Bitcoin? Like I said, brother, we're going to find that out. But if you're not in, if you didn't catch the bouncy bounce on the 618 on any other bouncy bounce on the way down, now is the time to get in on some Bitcoin. Now is the time to get in on some Bitcoin. I don't know what else to tell you other than now is the time to get in on your Bitcoin. This is the signal that everybody was waiting for. This is the signal that everybody was waiting for. Bryson 4X. Where can I get Gala? Brother, whenever you want to see a coin and you want to know where you can buy that coin, you go to coinmarketcap.com. Okay, coinmarketcap.com. And over on the right side, there's a little search bar. You type in Gala. Okay, you click on it. And right over here where it says markets, you click on that. And these are all the exchanges where you can buy Gala. You can get it on Binance, on KuCoin, on Kraken, Bithum, and Bitfinex. Okay, Bryson? So every single time you guys want to look at where can I get any coin whatsoever, you go to CoinMarketCap, you search for your coin, and over where it says markets, it's going to give you the exchanges that are available to get that coin. So right now, KuCoin. But KuCoin it's just no longer available for any of us anymore. If we can't provide KYC, they're obligating everybody to submit their KYC. And if you're from the States or any of its constituents, you cannot participate in KuCoin anymore. And that hurts so bad. That hurts so bad because I loved KuCoin. KuCoin was my bae. KuCoin was my bae. She betrayed me. You know? KuCoin. I'll love you forever, KuCoin. I'll love you forever. Bulldog. Bulldog over on the TikTok saying dumps are for me after I eat Taco Bell. Yeah, for everybody, bro. I don't even remember the last time I ate Taco Bell. If I eat Taco Bell, I'll probably die. I don't eat fast food. Taco Bell? Shit. All right. We talked about a Bitcoin. We talked about some Ethereum. Let's look at some XLM. You guys wanted to talk about XLM. Yeah, let's look at some XLM. Well, if XRP is dumping, XLM is going to do the exact same thing. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. And let's just restart the charts. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a pullback on the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. And these are your Fibonacci levels for some XLM action. XLM breaking through the 618 makes sense because everything is breaking through the 618. This is the moment where you either make it or break it. You either get in it and enjoy the price whenever it bounces, or it keeps going down on you. Okay? It's a highly volatile market. If you can get XLM, anything below 10 cents is a steal. A steal. Okay? It's a great day. It's a great day, guys. This is exactly what we were waiting for. So we got that 618 at 12 cents. Okay. If you get it anywhere below 12 cents, hooray for you. Or you can do the smart thing and do the reverse Fibonacci level. Okay. Which is this one right here. And your next entry prices to getting in on some XLM action are here and here. So my new target prices for XLM are 0.097096 and 0.080083. Dynamite, big shout out to Dynamite over on the YouTube channel. How you doing, Dynamite? How was all good? All good. You know how it is. Enjoying the mega dumpy dumps. The more it dumps, the more I buy. Hey, XRP dropped to 50. XRP dropped to 43, brother. Live on stream. There is blood on the streets. The apocalypse is here. The purge is here. I heard the alarm. You remember the purge alarm? I heard it on XRP and everything else on everything. Gol Afridi over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Gol. What happened to BTC? It took a shit on everybody, my man. It took a shit on everybody. And if Bitcoin is taking a shit on everybody, everything is taking a shit on everybody. That's why you don't listen to them moon boys, brothers and sisters. You got to do the smart thing. Do your Fibonacci levels. I told you we're not ready for a bull cycle just yet. Bull cycles are after the halving. If you were in my Discord, I told you guys over in my Discord group, take your things out of exchanges because there's going to be a dumpy dump happening real soon. And here it is. Really, really hope that you guys can withdraw your funds from all of the exchanges, okay? Withdraw them. They tell you right now, they're going to halt withdrawals. Whenever the market dumps like this, you're going to hear the news, oh, Coinbase is not processing withdrawals. Binance is not processing withdrawals. Hey, you heard it here. Take it out of the exchanges and put it in a cold storage device, whichever you choose, okay? Gol Afridi over on the YouTube channel saying, what happened? Any earthquake or war zone? I don't even... Dude, I don't know who the hell is pissed at Bitcoin, but it just took a shit on everybody. It doesn't give a fuck about the market. It doesn't care about no damn bull cycle. It's taking a... No, for real. Like I've said in previous live streams, 6 months before the halving, just like clockwork, miners sell all of their Bitcoin supply. Remember that miners are the ones that actually control the price of Bitcoin because they hold most of the supply. And if you dump the supply at the market at the same time in a coordinated attack, guess what happens? The market dumps. Now, why do they do that? Remember that the halving next year, in March 2024, all miners are going to get half of the rewards for their efforts. Okay, imagine an industry where your supply, your inventory gets cut in half by the price in half every 4 years. What do you have to do with that inventory? If you're a business owner, what do? You get rid of it as fast as you can, right? Because you'd rather sell it at $12 than to sell it at $6, right? That's what happens with crypto every 4 years. 6 months before the halving, miners get rid of their supply. Okay? Get rid of their supply. Like clockwork, brothers and sisters. But that gives a unique opportunity whenever you see these dumpy dumps to just stack them on some more. You know that the price of Bitcoin is just going to skyrocket on the next bull cycle whenever that happens. Okay? This is it. This is what you were waiting for. Senor X over on the YouTube channel saying, what the hell? Brother, that is the sentiment of everybody in the world right now, brother. What the fuck just happened? Blood on the streets, bro. Blood on the streets. I think it's because I'm streaming. As soon as I hit that stream button, everything took a shit. I'm sorry, man. It's my fault. It's my fault. Bitcoin is dumping. I went on a stream. I shouldn't have streamed today. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bro. Goal Afridi over on the YouTube channel saying all due to ETF bubble which burst. I really never invested much of my attention into the whole ETF thing. ETFs have been trying to get approved for years, ever since 2017. And it just hasn't happened, but it didn't do anything on the last bull cycle. And price is still 3x'd. I don't really invest my time that much on the whole ETF thing. I don't really care much about it. It's all a cycle. It's all a game. It plays out the exact same way every 4 years. Miners are going to sell their supply right before the halving. We get a dumpy dump like this one. And then the miners buy back in right after the halving, triggering the bull cycle right after we get the new president in the United States, November 2024, and rewrite that sucker all the way up to March 2025, which would be the burst of the next bull cycle. That's my plan. That's how I see it. You know, that's how I see it. Sorry, I'm sorry for butchering your name. Mesai Bekele over on the TX Big shout out to you, Mesai. I lost everything. The blood is mine. Oh, Mesai. Don't worry about it, brother. Don't worry about it. These are buying opportunities. You get back in on the markets and you hodl all the way through. You hodl all the way through. This is nothing. This is nothing other than the best opportunity. The best opportunity to stack up on your coins, brother. To stack up on your coins. Brock over on the TikTok saying, I told you, brother. I know, Brock. God damn it, bro. I know. If I could give you the class, I would. Brock, chill the F out. We get it. You're smart. I get it. I get it. Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TX Shock. Big shout out to you, Ernesto. What's up with you, my man? It's all good. All good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Enjoying these prices to the downside. The more it goes down, the more I buy. Can we get XRP back down to 41 cents? Can we do that, please? Brock saying over on the TikTok, I shorted that. Brother, you're the smartest man I know. Brock, you the man. You are the man, Brock. You are the man. Senor X over on the YouTube channel saying, I was just watching TV on sofa. What the fuck, man? I don't know. Like I said, I am 100% sure that this dump is miners selling their supply before the halving. This happens every time. Every time. Ghoul Afridi over on the YouTube channel saying, you are all right, your plan. Yeah. That's how I see it. Can we see? We're going to find out either way. I could be completely full of shit always. Remember, I'm just an idiot online. You shouldn't be trusting me anyway. It's not financial advice. But let's see. We'll find out sooner or later. Are we going to get that bouncy bounce from here? Or are we going to get another bull cycle? Or are we going to zero? It's the nature of the beast, you know? It's how it's like the lottery. You have to buy the ticket if you want to win. You're never going to win if you don't buy the ticket. Buy the ticket. Whatever price range you want, just buy the ticket and participate. You know, you never know. You never know. I'm in. Are you in? I'm strapped in. I don't know what you got to do. Senor X over on the YouTube channel saying, just like in the Litecoin halving. Yes, every time. Remember, Litecoin is like Bitcoin's evil twin sister. Does the exact same thing. They also have a halving every few years. And Litecoin dumped. Actually, let's look at Litecoin for a second over here. Look at that. See? Litecoin had a halving and it dumps. Bitcoin dumps and it dumps even more. Yeah. A cycle, guys, over and over and over and over. Jahia Nakbi over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Jahia. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. Big shout out to you. It's all good, You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. Watching these price ranges all the way to the downside. Let's see if we can get some. We can make some money. I bought some more on the way down. I don't know what you guys are doing, but I'm buying a whole lot more. Do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta fucking do. Completely up to you. Ooh, you know what? I'm curious. Let's look at Cardano for a second. There's not much love for Cardano. Let me look at. Oh man, look at Cardano. Oh man, that's a Cardano 25 cents. Cardano. How are my brothers and sisters in Cardano doing? How you guys holding on? I don't. Oh man. Oh man, Cardano. Oh, Cardano. Cardano. Cardano going to 15 cents. Cardano going to 15 cents, guys. Ugh. Nasty. Oh, man. That is a nasty, nasty graph right there. All right, guys. So if you... I would not be in Cardano. Gul Afridi over on the YouTube channel saying Elon Musk just sold 373 million Bitcoin. God damn. See what I say? What I say? If you have enough money, you can dump the price anytime. Man, I wish I was Elon Musk's friend. I really... What do I have to do? What do I have to do to get in those circles, you know? Like, who do I have to meet? I'll shake hands with anybody. Papa Musk just asserting his dominance over the world. There's nothing we can do about that other than just buy it back up. Buy it back up, guys. Juju over on the Twitch saying Cardano is over. Yeah. I would say so. I would say so, yeah. Cardano is a no-no. Cardano is a wow. Cardano is a fuck you kind of coin, you know? Senor X over on the YouTube channel say, we are shitting in. Yeah. Yeah, no. Don't forget about it, Senor X. If your mentality right now is not to start stacking up on some coins, I got nothing else for you, my man. I have nothing else for you. Oh, now that I saw Cardano, oh man, Cardano to 14 cents, guys. 14 cents is my next target price for Cardano. For a coin that's getting sued by the SEC. That's probably going to get delisted from all platforms. I mean, look at, now that we're talking about Cardano, let's talk about some Solana. Oh, at least Solana looks a little bit better than Cardano. Jesus. So for Solana, we have a low, we have a high, we have a retest of the high, we have a shark frame formation. So we have a Fibonacci level. Let's draw out our Fibonacci's. And there we go, guys. Solana, exactly the bouncy bounce, exactly on the 618. Right here. $20. If you're on the fence on getting in on some Solana action, now is the time to get on Solana. Now is some time to get some Solana. Solana looking a whole lot better than Cardano. I wouldn't even be looking at Cardano. Solana, $20. Solana, $20. $20 right there on the TikTok, right? $20. That's all you got to do. Matic. Let's look at some Matic. Pretty sure that Matic just ripped a new one on everybody. Yep. Oh, man. Matic is just another one looking exactly like Cardano. We have a low. We have a high. We have a retest. And it broke to 618. So your target price is the double bottom. The double bottom is set at 50 cents. 0.5060. That is my target price for Matic. If you guys want to trade on some Matic action, hopefully we're going to get that double bottom action happening real soon, okay? That is your target price for some Matic. 50 cents. Okay, 50 cents. Sorry, guys. Is that I got all the chat boxes on the top of the screen over here. Let's see. What is Doge? Now that Elon Musk just... Oh, man. Look at that. Dancing Doge. Let's look at some Doge action, guys. What is Doge doing right now? There we go. That's what I mean. Double bottom action right here. Boom. See? That is a major... Double bottoms is that it finds support on the previous support line. This was one bottom action, and it bounces exactly from there. That is a bullish scenario, okay? So probably we're going to get a little bit of a bouncy bounce on Dogecoin here, okay? From here. Not 100% sure, but it is a bottom coin. It's super duper low. 6 cents. 6 cents is a major steal. You all know that this is Elon Musk's coin. Whenever he makes a tweet in any way, shape, or form, hey, Dogecoin looking primed and ready to go. This is a great buy zone if you guys want to get some Doge action. Yep. Absolutely. Abso-fucking-lutely. Brock over on the TikTok saying the SEC appeal got approved. Yes, it did. But it doesn't affect secondary market in any way, shape, or form. We're still not a security. Which is good. Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok saying QNT doesn't want to drop much. As always, QNT is hanging around 90 and 100. Let's look at some QNT. What did I say from previous live streams, brothers? What did I tell you? 94 and 87. This was from previous live streams. It's right here, guys. 94 and 87. Hit exactly those two target prices, and now it's bouncing from there. You would be in profits if you would have paid attention. Okay? And there we go. Bulldog Gingling over on the TikTok saying to meet Elon Musk. I know. Man, if I had a chance, I don't know. I don't think I have anything to bring to the table. I'm not that special. I'm just an idiot online. I don't even have I don't have anything interesting on me. Like I don't really make anything. I don't have any money. I'm just a simple dude online smoking weed and getting tattoos. I'm trading crypto. That's it. That's all I do. Oh, let me see the total market cap for a second here. Oof. Oh. Yeah, you're right. He did sell $300 million worth of it. Yeah. No, but the drop was a whole lot more than 300 million. We're talking about billions. We're talking about we're talking about more than $100 billion just gone. Let me see. Give me a second here. A total wipeout of about 11%. Brother, we're talking about $132 billion taken out of the board. Taken out. I have no idea who the hell this is, but this is not one person. This is a coordinated attack to dump the price. Does Elon Musk have the power to do this? Absolutely, but not $132 billion. 300 million, yeah. And other miners, yeah. All get together and say, yo, I'm about to dump the price. Dump it. Boom. $130 billion on just a few minutes. This was just a few minutes. How long have I been streaming? I've been streaming for an hour and a half. In an hour and a half, guys. Wow. You gotta love the fucking volatility. And of course, if Bitcoin dumps, the US dollar pumps. Shisha. Let me check out something. The fear and greed index. Just for shits and giggles. Just for shits and giggles. Still in neutral. We don't know what the fuck we want to do. Let's go to the max. Yeah, we're still on the high. I'm seeing more price action to the downside, guys. I am seeing some more price action to the downside. Oh, damn. Let's look at some render. You guys wanted to talk about some render, RNDR. I'm pretty sure render also took a shit on everybody. Render. Where is it? Render. Ah! What did I say? Render. Previous live streams. What did I say? What was the target price? $1.26. Where did it bounce from? $1.26. Oh my. I really hope that you guys listen to what I say and you take notes. I don't say it because I'm making shit up. I'm just following the rules. I'm just following the game how it's supposed to be played. Key levels of support, key levels of resistance, $1.26 and 97 cents. $1.26. There it is. That was the bouncy bounce on render. Don't shoot me, my man. I'm just a messenger. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Logan Bundy, big shout out to you, Logan Bundy, over on the YouTube channel saying crazy BTC today. Absolutely. We love these days, my man. You have to love these days because these are the days where millionaires are made. Millionaires are not made when the prices pumps to 100K. No, millionaires are made when the prices dump 20% on a single day. Yeah. Smart people know. Dips are for buying. Dips are for buying. Gul Afridi over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Gul. You are bringing in on the facts, brother. 769 million liquidated from the crypto market in the past 30 minutes. Brother, I'm saying that it is ridiculous. $769 million liquidated from the crypto market in the past 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, $1 billion can just disappear. God, you gotta love it. You have to love it. You have to. Because guess what those $769 million are going to do on the next halving? They're coming back in. When the price of Bitcoin is really low, triggering the new bull cycle. David Wise over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, David Wise. Big shout out. Thank you for that follow. Ernesto Rodriguez over on the TikTok saying, love you, brother. Gotta run. Love you too, brother. Thank you for stopping by, bro. Praying XRP goes down more. Me too. I want to buy some more. Me too. Peace out, brother. Take care, Ernesto. Big shout out to you. Thank you for stopping by, brother. Bryson 4X over on the TikTok saying, do I need a tag for my XRP when I send it to my ledger? No. From exchange to ledger, you don't need a tag. You should have one in case you want to differentiate different users within the same XRP address. Let's say, for example, you want some XRP for your wife or your husband, whatever you have, or your children, if you have any, or your friends, and you all want to keep it on the same XRP address. You can use the tag to differentiate how much XRP is owned by that same address. Exchanges do that. If you go to an exchange and you try to transfer XRP from your ledger to your exchange, it's going to ask you for a tag because you need to tag it to your account. But you don't need one on a ledger if you're the only one who's going to be using the ledger device. You don't need a tag. Unless you're using BitGet. If you're using BitGet, you're going to need a tag. Okay? You're going to need a tag. But if you're using BitFi, you don't need it. Bulldog over on the TikTok saying, dude, Ethereum is slow as fuck. I've been waiting forever for it to transfer 64 blocks. I don't use Ethereum, brother. I use XRP. I use XLM. If you really want some fast-ass transactions with really low transfer fees, like I'm saying, I think that to transfer $1 million on XRP, it's like 4 cents, and it gets there in 0.03 seconds. I don't use Ethereum at all, and it's expensive too. Ethereum is just crazy, man. Ethereum is just crazy. Bulldog Angolan trying to buy some coins. I hear you. I know the frustration, brother. I know the frustration. David Was over on the TikTok saying, I've been investing in crypto mining firms. Marathon, Course, Soluna, Bitfarm, Arc, Sphere. Yeah. Hut Mining. Beautiful to see, brother. Yeah. Keep doing you, boo-boo. Do keep in mind that someday, not today, not this year, not the next one, someday miners are going to be unnecessary. The rewards are going to be so ridiculously low that it's just not going to be, what's it called? What's it say? What do I want to say? It's not going to be profitable to be mining crypto anymore. Someday, not today. It's not going to be here for a long, long time. Okay. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your investments. Jonathan Frederick over on the TikTok saying, do you have a buy price for Bitcoin? Let's go into some Bitcoin action. I had a buy price, but it got swallowed up immediately today. As of right now, I'm going to let the market do its thing unless, let's see. No, this one doesn't make any sense to me. Let me see. Yeah, they already got swallowed up already, but maybe we'll get a second chance to getting in some more Bitcoin to the downside at 26. You know what? Right now is actually 26,350. 26,350. Yeah, as of right now, it's a great price. It's happening right now. Right now, it's a great price to get start stacking up on some Bitcoin. So how are you guys enjoying the purge on crypto? Let me go to my beautiful baby girl XRP. David Was 22, thank you. No, thank you for stopping by, brother. Thank you for being here. And thank you for that follow, too. Big shout out to you, David Was, over on the TikTok, guys. Follow David Was. XRP bouncing on that 50. 50 has always been one hell of a resistance zone, so let's see if we can hold that support right there on that 50 cents, on that 50. Dang. Yeah, man. It's been one hell of a day for crypto today. I love the volatility. I've never had this on stream. I can finally show you how ridiculously fast you can either make money or lose money on crypto. These are things that you just have to be used to if you're going to be in a risky asset. Some people think that they're just going to make $1 million in a day. No, brother, only 1% of people do that. And guess what? We're not that special. You got to be comfortable with these losses. You have to be comfortable with your stop losses. You have to be comfortable with dollar cost averaging on the way down. There are days that prices go down. There are days that prices go up. It's all a cycle, and you got to be really like the mindset. You have to be in it. You have to be willing to buy on the way down, not on the way up. These are the times that you should be buying. Setting your limit buy orders on the way down. Whenever it bounces, we enjoy the prices when it comes back up. It is going to come back up sooner or later. Yeah, and it's just the nature of the beast, brothers and sisters. All right, guys. That's all the time I got for you today. Today was one hell of an interesting live stream. I finally got some volatility action for you guys to see. It's all being recorded. You can check it out on my YouTube channel or my Twitch channel. Everything is being recorded. You can rewatch this as many times as you guys want. Head on over to my YouTube channel. Sign up over there. Link in bio if you're looking from the TikTok channel. Or if you're looking from any other platform, just head on over to the links on the description. Make sure that you follow and subscribe, and you hit the notification bell if you're on the YouTube channel so you get notified every time I stream. Tomorrow, I'm getting a little bit of a surgery in my mouth, so I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow. Okay, so I will see you again on Monday, 5 p.m. Eastern. I stream here every day at 5 p.m. Eastern, but tomorrow I'm going to be a little bit of an off day because I'm getting a surgery in my mouth. So thank you guys for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. I will see you again on Monday, 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure that you follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you're on YouTube. You get notified every time I stream. Had a whole lot of fun. Hope you did too. See you again Monday, 5 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for stopping by. Had a good one. God bless. Take care.